Hail and well met, traveler. Thank you for joining us for another exciting installment of Baking from the Past. I've set aside a heap of strong white flour. You notice I'm not using any measuring spoons for this, and that's because measuring is not historically accurate. The god sends down his angry plagues from high. Famine and pestilence, in heaps they die. Now is a good time to start a fire over the pit and let it burn down to coals. Being that back in the day, nobody had a fridge, and in the future, there will be no electricity. Now, don't leave it out or it'll start to crumble, just like everything else. See you next time.